coming to you live from Iceland or Detroit, or they're synonymous this time of year. It's real cold in here, and so today, because it's still kind of cold, icy, and wet outside, I'm probably not going to cut up the counter. My plan is I'll make the covering pieces for around the shower here, and then probably mask and hopefully stain around these guys and make the little corner pieces that need to go in here too. So hopefully we'll be able to knock all that out tonight. If not, I'll just work on at least definitely getting the shower done, and then maybe the corner pieces, stain could come later. So that's what we're doing. Okay, so things are going pretty smoothly. We did get the sides of the shower all framed in, so they look way nicer now. No sharp edges exposed, so that's way safer. So that's what we're going for. These are going to get stained with the waterproof stain that we used on the deck. That way they should prevent any mold or anything like that, any rotting, growing. And next, I've been cutting these little triangles like you saw, just so you can see a little bit of the original bust siding in here. So these are just going to go in each corner like that, and then probably just take one screw each, hopefully, to hold them in. But that's the plan on those. Yep, we got everything pretty much in. All these little nice corner pieces, some require different screws and different orientations to get them to stick, but they're in. We got them up here, a nice all four corners there. Obviously our back window, side window here, and then same for these side windows here. So they look a lot nicer. They pretty much should be ready to stain. Obviously we'll tape everything off before we do that, but good progress. Good afternoon, everybody. We're back at it. I gave you a quick wrap up last night about where we left off, so you know what's next is we're going to mask all of the wood around the window frames and get that stained today if we can. Should be able to. Masking's the hard part, and once you're done with that, staining's not too bad. It's just paint inside the lines. So that's where I'm going. Enjoy watching. Okay, so as you can see behind me, we got the, it's a dark ash painted on. It's a stain. It's a solid stain to stain all the wood. It's a nice color because it kind of blends in with what's there, but it lets you know too that we put some time and effort into making nice window frames. So you can kind of see around the sides here. It is done there. We got the back done, obviously. We'll walk around and give you the full view. Big back window, bedroom windows here. And then also we did get the stain on, the first layer of stain for the shower. So once this dries, maybe in a day or so, I'll come back over it and hit it just one more time, make sure we don't have any moisture getting in there around the shower opening. But I think it looks really nice, and we're on a good pace here. We got a few more big things to finish up, and that's it.